The man who was fatally shot in an alleged police confrontation on Saturday in Big Lane, Central Village, St. Catherine, has been identified. He is 20-year-old laborer Shakil Simit, otherwise called DJ, of Board Jungle in Central Village. It is reported that around 10:20 p.m. a police team was on patrol in Big Lane when, upon reaching the intersection of Tate Drive and Central Road in the community, Simit was seen and he reportedly ran. He was pursued by the police into a premises where allegedly pointed a gun at the cops. The police said the cops took evasive action and Simit was shot. He later succumbed to his injuries at the Spanish Town Hospital. A male vendor was shot and killed by a gunman in broad daylight in a brazen attack in Crossroads, St. Andrew on Sunday morning. Another vendor, a female, was also injured during the attack, police said. The dead man has been identified as 33-year-old Kavan Lafayette, a resident of Pendick Road in Kingston 11. The injured woman, who is 54, has been admitted to hospital. It was reported that around 8:55 a.m. Lafayette was at his stall, where he sells food, when a man approached him and engaged in a short conversation. The man then went back to his vehicle, returned with a firearm, and opened fire at Lafayette, who ran toward the now injured woman. The gunman continued firing, hitting both victims. Lafayette received gunshot injuries to his head and upper body, and the woman to her buttocks. They were rushed to hospital, where Lafayette was pronounced dead and the woman admitted. No motive has been established for the killing, the police said. The Crossroads police are investigating. A 60-year-old farmer was found dead at a pig farm on Everest Drive in Plantation Heights, St. Andrew, on Sunday morning. Police said the deceased is believed to be Lloyd Garnett, a pig farmer from Water Lane in Mandeville, Manchester. Reports are that the body of the now deceased was found around 8:30 a.m. after residents reportedly heard loud explosions sounding and contacted the police. Upon arrival, the police found the body on a hillside near a pig farm, lying face down with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head. The body, police said, is of dark complexion, slim built, about 5 feet 6 inches tall, and sports dreadlocks hairstyle. It was clad in a blue t-shirt, blue and yellow shorts, and black and white slippers. A white Toyota station motorcar was found at the scene. Police believe it was owned by Garnett. A cell phone was also found on the scene with a copy of what is believed to be the dead man's driver's license.